Mockingbird.
Oh, I see the birds eating. Let's see what kind of birds we have. Let's first look outside, and then we'll go to our bird chart and identify them. Is that a good idea?
Hey, Susan.
Yes.
What about down here? What down here?
Right down there?
What down here?
Let's see. Okay, show me the cardinal. This is our bird chart. And Ella.
Corner.
Ella is 2. Ella, do you want to say hello?
Hello.
So can you tell me where the mockingbird is? Where listen to the mockingbird.
That's a mockingbird.
There you go. Oh, and the cardinal, where could he be?
That's
That's right. There's 2, isn't there? The male and the female. How about the...
Ooh, what did the
Oh, what do you see out there? Let's see.
Look at Rin on it.
Who's out there?
Look at Rin out there. Ooh.
You see the birds out there? Which one is that?
The bird is that.
Do you think that's a finch or a sparrow? Show me where the goldfinch is. And the
Goldfinch.
red finch, purple. No, goldfinch, red finch, purple finch. How about the woodpeckers? Where are they?
Where's the woodpecker?
That's the hairy woodpecker. Where's the downy woodpeckers? What's that one? Show me. Tell me what that one is. Yes. What are they?
Yes.
What are those 2?
There are you too.
2. Which type of birds are they?
Oh no, it went away.
He flew away. Can you show me?
Eat it.
Can you tell me where the nuthatches are? Where are the nuthatches?
The hatch, that hatch.
White-breasted nuthatch and red-breasted nuthatch. How about, oh, I love the mourning dove. Where's the mourning dove? There you go.
Oh.
He's so cute.
Mother.
Yes. How about that blue jay? Oh, where's that big blue jay? There you go. That's the blue jay. That's correct. And I'm looking for now the black-capped chickadee. That's right. He's way at the top. We've seen them today, haven't we? And where's that? Listen to the mockingbird.
That one.
That's right. And how about those the white-breasted nuthatch? And the red-breasted nuthatch. Correct. Let's see. And I think, how about the sparrow? House sparrow, tree sparrow, song sparrow. Where are those sparrows? Can you show me? Because I see them outside. I see them outside coming to the window. Oh, I scared them away. Okay, let's see. Where are those sparrows on the chart? House sparrow, song sparrow, tree sparrow.
I saw a sea sparrow.
Where are those sparrows? Can you show me? The song sparrow. Point it on the chart, please. Song sparrow, house sparrow, tree sparrow. Where are those 3 sparrows?
That one.
Oh, that one is the grosbeak. That's a grosbeak. That's right. They're the sparrows. Where's the where's the top one? The house sparrow. That's so many birds. Did we count 24 birds altogether? Which one have we not seen yet in our bird feeder? I'm thinking the junco. Where's that junco? The dark-eyed junco. That one we have not identified. The junco we have not identified at our bird feeder yet. But we've identified most of them, haven't we?
Yes.
I know. There's so many birds that visit us. Do we feed them every day?
Yes.
We watch them fly and play?
No, I think no, it's he. No, I want to see.
Excuse me? You haven't seen that one? Let's see, you know what else we haven't seen? We haven't seen the siskin, the pine siskin.
It's not second, it's C.
Yeah, we have not found that one either. We hope to spot them, don't we?
Yes.
One day soon.
It's soon.
Do you want to feed the birds?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, say bye to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
See you later, alligator.
See you later.
After a while, crocodile.
God.
You know what I mean, jelly bean?
Ready.
Understand, rubber band?